Now let's look at how LeaseSync maintains ongoing visibility of your fleet. And on the screen, each aircraft appears as a tile. LeaseSync updates utilization metrics in real time, as and when new reports arrive from your lessee. So when you click into an asset, what you see is a consolidated timeline: flight hours, cycles, location history, maintenance environment exposure, and the upcoming shop visit triggers. And here, the system's highlighting a variance. The operator has submitted a particular number of flight hours, but the ADSB data shows a slightly different value. And what LeaseSync does is it automatically flags that for you to review and follow up with your lessee. And if you scroll down, you can see checks, for thrust rating changes, harsh environment operations, variances, hours and cycles, ratios, landings in unauthorized jurisdictions. And what that does is it allows you to monitor a lot of these inconsistencies in real time through all these workflows that are built into the system. And regardless of the report format or frequency, the platform ensures that every aircraft's operational profile is accurate, it's complete, and it's fully aligned with verified data.